Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be starting on the spray job on our Renault Master camper van conversion. In the last video I did the main prep ready for paint, giving the van a really good clean. The paint job on this van is going to be two-tone. The lower section below the plastic trim sprayed black along with the wheels, and then the main body of the van in green. I started by masking up the tyres and the line on the front door where the split from the green to the black is going to be. Then Emma gave the areas that are going to get paint a final degrease using a paint prep wipe. We thinned the paint down and filtered it into the spray gun to stop any bits in the paint from being sprayed onto the van. Then it was time to spray. We're using a Satin military paint, which is a tough paint ideal for using on the van, with the satin finish being a bit more forgiving for spraying outside next to a road. One benefit of this paint for outdoor use is that it dries pretty quick, so you don't get a paint job full of dust and bugs. And the fact it's a satin finish means any imperfections in the paint are a little bit less obvious than full gloss. And here we are with stage 1 complete. I don't want to show you too much because in the next video I'll be starting on the main colour change, so I'll show you more then. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.